Right guys, so here you are seeing my A9 monitor, which I'm pointing on to those leaves, and my issue is that, let's say that I'm pointing to that leaf over there, so it says it's in focus, right? But even if we lock the focus and look at it, it looks like the focus is just getting in and out, see? So there is wobbling effect, okay? And I don't know what's happening, but what I do know is when I have my focus locked on and I shoot, most of the times the camera just loses the focus when I press the button. So yeah, I don't use a back button focus, but even if I do, the same thing happens. Okay, so using the back button focus, I can focus there, and then keeping my finger on the back button focus for tracking, it just loses it, you see? It's not focused. Look, it's now focused, now it's not. And yeah, it's very difficult to have this working like that. I'm using the A9 and it's the A9, right? It's the 2x standard converter and the 200-600. It also happens with the 70 to 200, the GM2, so I don't know what's going on, but it's not really good. Okay, I'm using AFC. I'm using, in this case, it's the flexible spot S, but we can use any other flexible spot for tracking. It always happens. Even if I'm using the large one for birds in flight, it starts pursuing the bird, it focuses on it, and I mean, in 20 shots, I get 3 or 4 in focus. The rest are out of focus. Okay, it started to happen after replacing the bayonet on the front, where the place where you put the lens. Okay, it got a new flex cable, so, and it had some issues, if I remember well, because when it came from Playmon, whenever I use a very heavy lens like this, the curtain was actionated and covered the sensor. After that, it went there again, spent another month there, and afterwards it came with this issue. Also, the sound wasn't working, but well, that is now fixed, as you can hear it. Okay, so please try to help me if you know anything about it. I want to focus on that leaf there. Okay, let me put it again on the well, let's say the flexible explanatory. Okay, and as you can see, it doesn't focus there. It's look, it's weird. So I got to grab the focus back. Okay, so there it is. The screen is shutting down because I have something in front of the sensor, of the eye sensor. So you see, it doesn't. Okay, now it's not focused. It's showing a green square, but it's not focused. What the hell? See, if I go to that place over there, even if I go to that one, which is a better contrast. Okay, this one is easier, but even that changes the focus place. I mean, it's weird.